When casting dry flies, one of the biggest obstacles people have is trying to eliminate drag off their fly. So I'm going to show you a cast. It's very easy to learn. It's called a reach mend or a reach cast. What we do is we put it up, we stop the rod, and we reach. 45 degrees to the fly, control the slack line, follow it down the river, and you don't have to do anything once it's in the water. It's called a reach mend. Stop the rod and reach out.
I see him there. Man, that's a good fish.
Nice cast, Bill. There you go. Good work, Bill.
A lot of bad casting. I've been casting 9 weights for the last 3 weeks, and now I'm on a 5 weight, and it's a big difference. I'm throwing lots of tailing loops, but I finally got it out.
You stuck it out, though. That's the important thing.
And this feels like a decent fish. Oh yeah, good fish.
That's a nice fish, Bill.
It's a good fish. Yeah, it's a good fish.
There you go.
Now, Mikey, you gonna be my net boy?
Yes, sir. Want me on the other side?
Yeah, on the other side of me, I guess.
Nice fish, Billy.
Yeah, it's good fish. Not huge, but it's good.
Sure is.
Got him. This is a hard-fought brown on a dry fly. He took a caddis emerger. We got mayflies, spinners falling down, and caddis coming off. So awesome, just awesome. And away he goes.
Good job, Billy.
And away he goes. Oh, that was great. Thanks, Mike.
Very welcome.
Oh, man. Thank you, sir.
This video is made possible by Fish USA, America's fly shop. Visit us today at fishusa.com.